What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mini Cooper 3-door that we have right in front of us here in this gorgeous red color that we have. As you can see, I love the two-tone finish of the black and then the red, and then you got some silver finish of a wheel with some black touches as well. And one thing I must highlight, showroom is amazing, dude. Showroom here with this amount of light that's coming in makes it look absolutely nice. Check out the accessories these guys have behind there. Amazing setup of other cars on display as well. Love that brick wall. Beautiful layout. So let's start off with the front, guys. First thing, let's take a look at the amazing lights that we have right here. Love the black housing finish. Get some black finishes on the inside part right there, the DRLs that go all over. We'll turn them on later to show it to you. Now for the front so-called grille, we have this black finishing of a housing with some design like elements for radiator, right, to go in through. You got your ADAS sensor right here. Got your front camera located on this side. Number plate holder right here. You got some opening right here for air to flow through, together with some matte texture like finish of a front lip for the car. Now that's looking good as well. Now you do have your gold color badging of a Mini that's happening on this side. Got some two stripes of the white line racing stripes for the red color car in white, looking really good. Now for the side right here, it continues with the matte finish of a wheel arch that goes away all to the side as well. So for the wheels, let's take a look. Solid disc brakes on the inside with your Mini badging in the center. Tire size is 215/40 R18. Love the silver design finish together with the black, looking real good. Now for the side mirrors, they follow black, which is damn cool. My personal favorite when the mirrors do not follow the body color. Love the pillar right here and the black finishing, how the thickness it is from the side and it goes all the way slightly down, looking good. Door handles also in black, that's nice. The roof of the car is in red. The antenna right there, damn cool. Let's open up this and take a look at the frameless mirror-like finish of a door. Check this out, amazing. I like this, looking real good. So you have some fabric finishes in the inside part right here. Got this leather finish of a side. You got the hard plastic happening on this side, over this side as well. Got your window adjustments up and down, compartment storage down here, so it does look very good. Now for the side right here, you got the mini side plate, amazing. You got your seats for the backrest and together with the how to say this, the leg part to go up and down, manual adjustable. So you do get some fabric finishing on the side right here, looks good. Some mini wording right there. Love the design finish that's going on right here with the blue, looks good, man. So let's hop right in, take a look. So first thing is first, the car is very spacious indeed. Amazing fabric finish at the top. You do get some, can you see that, the light that's shooting out from here, damn cool. Love this leather finish on this side. You got your air vent adjustments over here, damn nice as well. You got your glove compartment storage down here, looking good. Hard plastic on this side, Harman Kardon sound system right here. Hard plastic on this side. You got some fabric finishing at the top, and then yeah, you do get your mirror for the passenger together with the driver as well. Frameless rear view mirror as well as call button given as well for this car. Now you do have your amazing screen where your driving modes and everything, you're all controlling it through here. So experiences you can change, you can go green, you can go personal if you wish to. So I love the, how to say this, the user interface of this. It's damn cool. So it's touchscreen also as well, damn nice indeed. So you do have your volume adjustment up and down, hazard lights, your rear demister for the front and for the rear as well, including your distance. Also called, this is some sort of like settings where you can choose your driver assistance system, lane departure warning and whatnot, together with the parking sensors. So starting the car is over here. You got your driving gear shifters, reverse and whatnot over here. P is there for your parking. Cup holders on this side. You got your wireless charging that's going on over this side. Love how it locks in your phone over there, damn cool. Plenty of compartment storage down here, very flat and nice surface. You got your two type C connectivities over here, 12-volt socket. And let me see what's happening on this side. Or maybe can't really open it, or maybe there's nothing to open, perhaps. So sitting right here at the front passenger seat, seat belts are in black. Once again, the seat color is nice, legroom is fantastic, and yeah, let's get right down. Just to show you guys how does the rear look like, we're gonna do this, and hopefully you guys are able to tell that there are plenty of other storage space happening right at the rear. Check that out, man, dude. Plenty of space. So I'm quite tall, I'm gonna be jumping right in to the rear to show you guys how amazing does this actually feel. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Of course the seat is not fully back just yet, but yeah, so this is with the seat fully back. So as you can see, my legs still can move. Yeah, but it's rubbing against, but I'm not feeling like, you know, very tight or whatnot. So yeah, cool. My legs are right underneath the seat, so place where you can rest your elbow. Rear screen right here. The view looks good. Hook right here. You got the fabric finish over top, so we can open this up, push it forward, roll it all the way forward, and yeah, we're done. So that is for that. Now, cup holder for the rear passenger as well. Let's get right down and let's take a look at the rear boot design. So let's push this back. Before we jump right to the rear, let's take a look at the wheels that these guys are giving. So you do have your tire size happening on this side, 215/40 R18, solid disc brakes on this side. You got your silver finishing of a wheel on the outside, black finishing on the inside. You got your mini badging right here, looks damn cool. Love the wheel arch in the black, doesn't follow the body color. For the rear, as you can see, you got your Cooper S with the mini badging in gold, even this wording right here with the black background. Number plate goes right there. Rear diffuser in this matte like finish. This should be a reverse light located here. Wiper is on this side. Very clean setup for that. Let's open this up. Of course, your lights on this side in the pyramid shape. You can fold down the seats if you wish to by just pulling that fully down. Take a look. Plenty of space that you guys can actually store. Let's do the same over here. Amazing. So plenty of storage space that you guys get. Love the cover right here. You can even finish by taking that off if you wish to. So over here, petrol tank, because this is a petrol car. Now let's jump right into the driver's seat. First thing is first, you get your amazing doors in this fabric finish. Your gold door handles to open up, handle to hold to pull to close to do your window adjustment, side mirror, compartment storage down here inside of the door, and you got your speaker finishing right there. So mini badging over here, the side plaque. Once again, the seats are fantastic. So let's hop right into the driver seat and take a look. Steering wheel feels very thick and nice. You got your mini badging right here. Love the gold textured finish happening all over the place. Cruise control settings over here. You got your answering call over here, volume up, volume down for your music settings and whatnot. Brake pedals, accelerator pedals are over here as well. Head up display, fabric finish over here, damn cool. Love the layout, a lot of space. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seatbelts are in black. Feels good, look good, very nice. So let's now turn on the lights to show you guys how do they actually look like. So first thing is first, you get your DRLs. As you can see, fantastic finish for front. Let's take a nice cover photo right there. Hopefully it does the job. Yep. So let's see the lights. As I mentioned, ring all over. Your main headlights are hiding right on the inside. Damn cool. So for the rear, let's close this down so you guys can actually see warning triangle located right up there. Of course, what's hiding right here is your tire repair kit together with the first aid kit. So there is some compound storage happening down here as well. So close this back down. So over here, you do have your rear taillights in this particular shape. Damn cool. And love that British flag like of design, like for the left and the right. So looking really cool as well. So let's signal lights located on the side right here. Damn cool. You have this whole ring that will just light up automatically just like that. Looking good. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more, wait a minute, for the rear, we have not showed this. Yeah, so for the 3-door Mini Cooper S, that's the design light for the back. I like that. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mini Cooper cars, do head down to their showroom right here. As you can see, they have plenty cars on display, plenty of merchandise and accessories over there. and I love the amount of light that comes into the showroom. Looks good. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.